This video gives you the words you'll need for the book called The Slinx. Tin. Draw a slinx on this rock. Read. Write read. And you can write on the little writing as well. Bump. Write bump. And colour this. Colour this. Writes. Write writes. Writes. Ribbon. Write ribbon. Then you can colour in the ribbon and her little outfit. Letter. Write letter. Ink. Write ink. Blue. Write blue. Colour this. There's a big blue hexagon. Blue. Colour this. From. Write from. Orange. I love juicy oranges. Write orange. Orange. Letters. And I love getting letters. Write letters. Colour this. Them. Them. Write them. Words. And the words are, can you remember? Black egg, a, jumps, and buzz. Write words. Here's a magician doing a trick. Write trick. Picks. Write picks. Colour this. Get. Write get. Get. And that's the end. So now see, can you remember any of the words? Draw these things. Blue, happy, letter, picks, orange, ribbon. Ink, bump, trick. Letters, end, read. Now you have to write the words. Do you remember what the words are? Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe. Bye.